Hi, I'm Leon Papkoff, CEO of Design Reactor. I'm here with Mitch McCoy, our Vice President of Engineering, and we're here today to talk about mobile event apps. So Mitch, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Great. So I want to talk to you about mobile event apps. That's becoming a big emerging area. A lot of companies have started to build mobile event apps. We're obviously been diving into it, doing a number of them for our clients. There's a number of key aspects and the key benefits that we're seeing. Can you talk a little bit about some of those?
Yeah, absolutely. When you do a mobile event app, there's a few key categories that you want to hit, and you basically are replacing what you have in a physical event. Mm-hmm. What you would carry around physically, so a program guide, right? Put that onto your mobile device.
Right.
You would take your event map and you would put that onto your mobile device. You can also take, the exhibit partners and the lists and all of that and put it onto your mobile device. You can also add things that you wouldn't have physically.
Right.
For example, your daily buzz, your social buzz, all of those types of things. You're not going to be able to carry around that. That's something you have to go online for.
Right.
So effectively, you take all of these and you package it into a nice little application on the device. People are no longer carrying these things around. They have it all in the device.
Yeah, you don't got to carry your bag with all the paperwork and
that's right.
Where are my tracks and sessions, but it's all completely in the device itself.
That's right. There's also some unique things that the company has an advantage with in communicating with the audience. For example, surveys and polls. There's a keynote session going on right now, and people can give instant feedback on that keynote speaker.
Right.
You can ask them about how the tracks and sessions were. You can get very exact feedback on the tracks and sessions.
Right. And all of this is completely trackable, right? So we can actually give metrics back after the event, specifically to the event managers, and actually show how people are involved in using the app itself.
Absolutely. Reporting is a key feature of what you can do with an application.
Right. The other key thing I really like are alerts. So you can launch alerts in a mobile event app. So when you're at the show floor, you're walking around to different booths and different exhibits, and you get an alert that a customer or a client or a promotional effort is going on in a certain booth, and they're doing beer and wine at the booth at 3 p.m. this afternoon. So all of a sudden all the attendees get that, and you can drive traffic specifically to booths too.
That's an event marketer's dream.
It is.
They absolutely love that stuff. In addition to that, think about it how it is for the attendee. You would have missed that.
Right.
Maybe there's some very cool activity happening that was a surprise.
Yeah.
How are you going to find out about it?
Yeah, another thing on the program guide I really like that I know we've introduced this to a couple of the apps we've been doing is when you find the track or the session or the general session you're looking for, you can click on a button, add it to your own agenda so you can keep track of your agenda. We can keep track if you're adding multiple within the same time slot so you don't double book yourself. And you also have the capability of actually finding where that tracker session is in context to what floor and the map it's on as well, which is really nice.
That's right. Show me where it is, and pops up open the map, and you go right to it.
Right.
Very easy. There's another unique advantage, which is tying these mobile applications into the registration system. And that's another way to greatly simplify the logistics between the attendees and the company and the events.
Yeah.
So that's a big benefit as well.
Great. Hey, well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time today, and thank you everyone for joining us. We look forward to coming out and talking with you more about how mobile event app can help you in your upcoming event. Thanks again.